In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Freshbooks account. Whether you're starting a new business or simply looking to streamline your accounting process, Freshbooks is a fantastic tool that offers a user-friendly and effective way to manage finances, track expenses, and send invoices. So, let's dive in and get your Freshbooks account up and running. First, you'll want to head over to the Freshbooks sign-up page. This is where the adventure begins. The sign-up page is your gateway to all the powerful financial tools Freshbooks has to offer. To find it, simply open your web browser and search for Freshbooks. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a few options for how you can create your account. You have the flexibility to choose the sign-up method that suits you best. Let's walk through these options. If you opt to sign up using your email, you'll need to enter your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, go ahead and click the Sign Up button. It's as simple as that. Alternatively, if you're heavily integrated with Apple or Google and prefer the convenience of using one of these accounts, you're in luck. You can select Sign Up with Apple if you've got an Apple account, or Sign Up with Google for a Google account. Follow the seamless prompts and you'll be all set. These options are not only convenient, but also make the sign-up process swift and efficient, saving you time. Once you've chosen a sign-up method, you'll likely need to verify your new account. This important step ensures that your details are secure. Verification typically means checking your email for a confirmation message from Freshbooks. Click on the link within the email and you'll be brought to the next step in the process. With verification behind you, you'll start to complete your Freshbooks profile. This section is where you begin to flesh out the details. The setup process will guide you through entering essential business information. Depending on your needs, this could include specifics about your company or professional details that help Freshbooks tailor its experience to suit your work. Additionally, you might set up your first invoice, a crucial step if you're eager to start billing clients right away. And there you have it. Your Freshbooks account is ready to go. By now, you've navigated through the sign-up page, chosen your preferred method, verified your information, and completed your profile. With your account set up, you can start exploring all the handy features Freshbooks provides to simplify your financial management. Enjoy the confidence that comes with having your accounting sorted